Have you ever pondered how deeply your pet understands you? It's a thought to muse over, isn't it? There exists an unspoken bond between us humans and our pets, a bond that transcends the barriers of language and is steeped in a depth of emotion that is as profound as it is enriching. Our pets, whether they be loyal canine companions or playful feline friends, seem to have this uncanny ability to comprehend our emotions. They sense our moods, responding with unwavering companionship and comfort. It's as though they can see into our souls, reading our joys and our sorrows with an empathy that astounds. And it's not just emotional support they offer. Their presence in our lives has tangible physiological effects. Ever noticed how your stress seems to melt away when you're petting your dog or cuddling your cat? That's not just your imagination. Your body is releasing feel-good hormones like oxytocin and serotonin, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. But it's not a one-way street. Our pets give us their love and understanding, and in return we care for them. We feed them, groom them, exercise them. And through these acts of caregiving, we strengthen our bond with them. We find purpose and fulfillment, enriching our lives in meaningful ways. These interactions with our pets, these shared moments of silent understanding, these instances of stress, relief and comfort, they all contribute to the deep emotional bond we share with them. It's a bond that's unique, a bond that's special, a bond that's in many ways indescribable. So the next time you look into your pet's eyes, remember this bond. Remember the silent understanding, the unwavering loyalty, the companionship and the comfort. Remember the stress-alleviating effects and the release of feel-good hormones. Remember the profound and enriching experience of connecting with your pet. Through their silent understanding and unwavering loyalty, pets indeed become our confidants. And that, my friends, is the beauty of the unspoken bond we share with our pets. Did you know that caring for a pet can teach us invaluable life lessons? When we take on the responsibility of pet ownership, we are committing to the well-being of another living creature, an undertaking that is both demanding and rewarding. This commitment requires more than just providing food and shelter. It involves the daily care and attention that our pets need to thrive, from regular exercise to grooming and even the occasional cuddle. Through these actions, we learn the importance of empathy and compassion, as we must always consider the needs and feelings of our pets. A dog cannot tell us when it's feeling unwell, and a cat can't express its fear of thunderstorms. Instead, we must learn to read their behaviors, understand their fears, and respond with kindness and patience. The act of caregiving also instills a sense of responsibility within us. Pets rely on us for their most basic needs, and this dependence fosters a deep sense of commitment. Whether it's waking up early to walk the dog or staying up late to comfort a scared cat, the routine and dedication required to care for a pet can help us develop a strong work ethic and a sense of duty. Moreover, caring for pets brings a unique sense of purpose and fulfillment. Seeing a pet grow and thrive under our care, witnessing their joy during playtime, or simply feeling their warmth as they curl up next to us, these moments of connection fill us with a profound sense of accomplishment. They remind us of the positive impact we can have on the lives of others, even if they are of a different species. In essence, the lessons we learn from our pets are profound and far-reaching. They teach us about empathy, compassion, and responsibility, enriching our character and our lives. But perhaps most importantly, they show us the power of unconditional love and the joy that comes from caring for another living being. The lessons we learn from our pets extend far beyond their lifetimes. Ever felt a sense of awe during an encounter with wildlife in nature? There's something quite mesmerizing about standing at the edge of a forest and spotting a deer gracefully leap through the undergrowth. Or perhaps you've experienced the thrill of watching a hawk circling high above, its keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. These are moments of pure, unadulterated wonder, moments that make us feel connected to the world around us in a way that is both profound and humbling. Consider a moment when you've stumbled upon a family of rabbits playing in a meadow. Their soft fur, twitching noses, and playful antics bring an instant smile to your face. You feel an inexplicable bond, a sense of shared joy in the simple act of living. This connection is not bound by language or species, but by the shared experience of life itself. Or imagine watching a pod of dolphins frolic in the ocean waves. Their sleek bodies effortlessly cut through the water, their high-pitched clicks and whistles echoing through the deep blue. In that moment, you are witnessing a complex social structure, a language of their own, a testament to the intelligence and adaptability of these magnificent creatures. And then there are times when you find yourself gazing at a butterfly. Its wings a canvas of vibrant colors. It flutters from flower to flower, a delicate dance of nature's design. You marvel at its beauty, but also at its resilience, the journey it undertakes from caterpillar to chrysalis, to the exquisite creature before you, a symbol of transformation and rebirth. These encounters with wildlife, whether they are fleeting or prolonged, remind us of our place in the grand scheme of things. They inspire a sense of respect for the natural world and its inhabitants, a world that is as diverse as it is interconnected. Through these encounters, we are reminded of the diverse beauty of life on Earth. We are a part of this intricate web of life, and it is our privilege to bear witness to these incredible creatures in their natural habitats, to share in their joys and struggles, and above all, to appreciate the profound beauty and wonder of our shared home. Have you ever considered how our actions affect the animals around us? It's a thought that perhaps is not at the forefront of our minds, but it's a question that demands our attention. Every day, we share our planet with countless species, each playing a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Our actions, big or small, can have a profound impact on their lives and their habitats. Consider wildlife conservation efforts. These initiatives work tirelessly to preserve and protect the rich biodiversity of our planet. They safeguard the habitats that these animals call home, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the same wonders of the natural world that we do today. But these efforts are not a one-man job. They require the collective action of us all. Each of us can contribute in our own way, whether it's through financial support, volunteering, or even just spreading awareness about the importance of these efforts. Beyond wildlife, let's not forget our domesticated friends. Animal shelters are often overrun with pets in need of a loving home. Volunteering at these shelters, whether it's helping with daily tasks or providing some much-needed companionship to the animals, can make a world of difference. It's not just about the physical help, it's about showing these animals that they are loved and valued. Moreover, our responsibility extends to our everyday actions. Simple choices like opting for cruelty-free products or reducing our waste can significantly impact the lives of animals. But why do all this? Why should we care? The answer is simple. We share a deep, profound connection with the animals around us. They enrich our lives in countless ways, and in return we owe them our respect and protection. They aren't just passive inhabitants of our world, they are our companions, our teachers, our reminders of the beauty and diversity of life. Our connection with animals is not a one-way street, it's a reciprocal relationship that requires us to step up and take responsibility. It's about understanding that our actions have consequences and that we have the power to make a positive difference. Our connection with animals extends to an obligation of stewardship and protection. Can you recall the moments when your connection with animals brought joy into your life? In the past few minutes, we've explored the profound and enriching experiences that arise from connecting with animals. From loyal dogs and playful cats to majestic wildlife, these connections transcend language barriers, fostering deep emotional bonds that bring comfort and companionship into our lives. Animals, particularly our pets, have a unique ability to understand and respond to our emotions. Their presence in our lives provides a constant source of unconditional love and support, helping to alleviate stress, reduce loneliness, and promote overall well-being. The simple act of petting a dog or cuddling with a cat can release feel-good hormones like oxytocin and serotonin, infusing our lives with a sense of calm and relaxation. Beyond just companionship, caring for our pets teaches us responsibility and empathy, whether it's feeding them, grooming them, or taking them for a walk. These acts of caregiving create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. They nurture compassionate attitudes, instilling valuable life lessons that enrich our lives in meaningful ways. Beyond the realm of domestic pets, our encounters with animals in nature offer a profound sense of awe and connection to the world around us. From birdwatching to wildlife encounters, these experiences awaken our sense of wonder, fostering an appreciation for the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Involvement in activities like volunteering at animal shelters or participating in wildlife conservation efforts also deepens our connection with the animal world. These actions cultivate a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness with nature, reminding us of our responsibility to protect and preserve the habitats and species that share our planet. The connection we share with animals, in essence, nourishes our souls and enriches our lives, reminding us of the importance of compassion, empathy, and gratitude in our journey through life. Did you enjoy this video and find yourself wanting to learn more about the profound connection between humans and animals? This is just the beginning, a mere glimpse into the beautiful, complex, and rewarding relationships we share with our animal counterparts. To stay connected and continue this journey, please consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share content about the extraordinary bond between humans and animals, exploring topics from pet care to wildlife conservation and everything in between. Our goal is to foster a community of animal lovers who are as passionate about understanding and protecting our animal friends as we are. We also encourage your participation. Share your own stories of animal connection, suggest topics for future videos, or simply engage with fellow animal lovers in the comments section. We believe that through shared experiences and open discussion, we can deepen our understanding and appreciation for the world's diverse animal population. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Together, we can continue to learn, grow, and celebrate the incredible bond we share with animals. We look forward to accompanying you on this journey.